welcome to Cheap Joe's Art Stuff. My name is Julie and I'm here to impart some knowledge to you today via a 2-minute art tip. And today isn't so much about a technical or a technique per se. This is more of a creative exploration. I call this the ink spatter technique, but I used to teach this when I had my art school out of my home and I used to teach kids. This is a real fun kind of way to look at shape and form in a kind of non-literal way and really kind of enjoy it. So what we're going to do is, I've got just a simple piece of watercolor paper here. I'm going to lay some water down, and then I've got a liquid watercolor here that I'm going to use just to make it super easy, and we are going to just spatter this like this and let it kind of go where it's gonna go. And you can see we got some really intense beautiful color happening like this, and we'll sling some more water in there, make a big old giant mess like this, and clean that out. And then I got a, another color that I think will be fun to have it react with, another liquid watercolor. And we're just gonna just let whatever happen. You can see the colors are mixing and running all over the place, and that's totally fine. That's what we want to happen. And then we're gonna maybe add some more water in it so it's running all over and kind of playing and stuff like this. Now, don't be afraid to kind of pick it up, move it around, fold it in half if that's what you want, or even like take a straw like this and push the color around and let it do some crazy stuff. Now, why are we doing this? We are looking for some creative inspiration. Is it a something? Is it a pattern? Is it a landscape? Who knows? Maybe if you look at it this way, it's something totally different. Or maybe if you look at it this way, it has some other kind of visual feature to it. But it's a great jumping off point for doing like little doodles or getting your creative juices flowing. I do have an example from one of my young students who I thought this one was particularly great. I'm showing you this because she's my kid and we have adult permission to show this. So here is an example, and this is just a fun way to kind of open up your head, get out of your own way, and make some cool little art to kind of get yourself flowing. So take a look at some ink spatter. It's a heck of a lot of fun, and we're sure that you'll enjoy it.